Bunenchereye moyo kugendereria ense ya Kenya omurai wense Dr. William Ruto nigo aumirana no murai korwa ase ensemo ya Spain elinde kweneki obobwatani obuyana boigo kuimukereria uchumi ya Kenya okwana nabaliki bamang'ana nigo aenekibuna na chikogareia chichiro cha Kenya ase Kenya era chigwesomia amange gwetera ense ya Spain.
Spain can find its way into our continent, and we can grow those relations on the basis of mutual respect and ensuring that we leverage the economic opportunities that come to our market. I want to let you know, Your Excellency, that as a region, especially the East African Community region, we are all systems go in ensuring that we build this region both as a common market and also progressing towards a federation. We are looking forward to learning experiences from Spain and the European Union. You have walked this journey ahead of us, and we will look forward to learning from you how to consolidate our market and how to take it to the level of a federation. Because we are very strong believers that the future is that of cooperation, working together and building a common market, not just as the East Africa community, but also as the continent of Africa, using the infrastructure of Africa Continental Free Trade Area, that Kenya is a signatory. And again, Spain can leverage on the advantage you get out of Kenya being the champion, not just for the East Africa community, but the Africa Continental